Hey, Jim Viebrock here with Maintenance Minute. We've got a real quick project today. We're going to be replacing the skylight that has been broken on this 2017 Image by Grand Design RV travel trailer. It's real simple. We're going to start by scraping off the old putty, the die-core. We're going to scrape it off. It's a nice hot day, so I'm not going to have to heat it up, I don't think, but it's pretty easy to scrape off. So I'm starting with a stiff metal scraper to get the part off of the skylight itself. I'm going to switch over to a plastic razor when I'm working above the membrane because I do not want to rip or scratch the membrane. So take your time. This is not a quick process, but it is easy. So take your time, just don't rip the membrane. Alright, the next thing you want to do is remove all of the screws, then gently pry from underneath to get the old skylight out without tearing up the membrane. So be careful with that. Then we're going to start doing some extra cleanup. Alright, once all of the die core is off, all the putty and everything is gone, you're going to want to clean it with a good solvent. Make sure you get as much of it off as you can. You might see some black caulk looking stuff underneath there. That's from the factory, so don't worry about it. Just try to get it off just like you do the white die core stuff. So the idea here is to get it really, really clean, and then we're going to start to reassemble our skylight. Okay, there are a couple of holes in my membrane, roofing membrane, and my replacement skylight doesn't fit exactly like the original. So what I need to make sure is I get plenty of die-core sealant over the old holes, plus around these two places where I have a little bit of a rip or a tear that looks like from previous repair or something. Anyway, be mindful of that as you put it back on. Otherwise, we're going to put a bead of the die-core around where the holes are. Then we're going to put a bead around the bottom side of the skylight. Put it down, and we're going to screw it down. Now that I have a bead of the die-cord all the way around my skylight, I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to place it centered over the hole. Then we're going to put some more die-core on it. I've got my skylight pressed against it. Now I'm going to start putting my screws in where they are, and I'm going to put a little bit of the die-core on each of the shaft of the screws as I do it. Okay, I've got my basic bead on the underside of the skylight. I've put the material on the sealant on my screws as I put them in, so now they're globbed out over top. I want things to spill out. And now what we're going to do is use the remaining of our tube plus part of another tube to make a really wide bead over the entire lip of the skylights. Okay, there's our project. It was quick and easy from start to finish. It really only took me about 45 minutes or so. As you can tell, I did this in the late hours of an evening. The die core is self-leveling, so you don't have to put it on there just perfect. It'll kind of smear itself out, and over the next hour or so, it'll level out and be kind of smooth, and it'll seal. And that's the important part, is that you seal all of that up, yet it's pliable enough that you can repair it should you need to. So that was a quick, easy project. Stay tuned. We've got lots more to come.
Hey everybody, I'm Jim Viebrock with Maintenance Minute, and I'm standing in the middle of a project house that we've been working on for a little while. One of the things about social media and YouTube and places like that is there's all kinds of people on there telling you that you can get rich owning real estate. And there's no doubt about it, owning real estate can be very, very profitable. But the realities of it is hot, dirty, nasty work. Next thing you know, you're undoing some nasty old toilet, or you're trying to clean up after you pulled the insulation down out of a house like we did on this one. Just remember, there is riches in real estate, but you're going to have to work for it, and it's hard, hot, dirty work. I'm Jim Viebrock. Please go to maintenanceminute.net for more information.